To set the dimension style, we have to type dim sty, that is dimension style, then press enter. See, there is already a dimension style. This showing on the window. This is standard. You can set as per your requirement. You can modify it. You can either modify it or you can make a completely new dimension style. So if you want to create a new dimension style, then click on new, then name your style. Let's say working drawing. Continue. Then click on primary units, unit format, architectural, precision 0 feet 0 inch. Your dimension style will be like this, as you see in this portion. So all the settings are kept same like this, and then click on OK. So after clicking working drawing, set current. Okay, so your new dimension style has been just set on your AutoCAD. Now you can work on AutoCAD interface. Thank you.